Mrs. Lloyd. I'm here for the second lesson in coping skills. As you read, hopefully, in the first lesson, is that coping skills are an umbrella. They're here to help when a storm is coming, when you're not feeling happy, or if you're angry, or if something upsetting is happening. You still get a little bit wet, but it keeps you mostly dry during that time. And then sometimes you need a bigger umbrella when things are particularly bad. And so you might need more than one coping skill. Sometimes you just need a small little umbrella because, something is just making you a little bit angry. So you might just need one little coping skill at a time. So this first coping skill that we're going to talk to you about, or this first thing that we're going to be talking about, are healthy coping skills and unhealthy coping skills. So an example of a healthy coping skill would be taking a walk. So if something is making you super angry, say, or super upset, say your brother or your sister stole your favorite marker that you were using to do your homework with and used up all the ink in it. And so when you went to do your homework assignment, all the ink was gone and you didn't have anything to make up for it. So now you're super angry and you want to punch your brother or sister in the face. But instead of doing that, you decide to take a walk. This is a good way and a good coping skill so that you can kind of release that energy that you have, but not hurt your sibling. And therefore, you probably won't get in trouble by your parents for punching your brother or sister. An unhealthy coping skill would be something like, first punching your brother or sister. It might, first of all, feel good at first, but you will then get in trouble. You might not feel good later on. You might feel guilty. You might get punched back, and then you'll be feeling hurt, or you might get injured. Another thing, maybe another example of a bad coping skill would be if you were really sad about something. Maybe your best friend was talking bad about you, is to go and eat a bag of chips, or eat a whole thing of ice cream, or eat a bunch of burgers. That's an unhealthy coping skill. So on today's activity, we are going to give you a whole sorting page. So you can print that off and look at it and compare. You can cut them up and compare the items and put them together. There's another video that you can watch and compare how you sorted them and put them together, and watch the video and see if you got the same answers. At the end, you can write down your thoughts if you want and keep that privately and see if you kind of what your feelings are about this whole thing. And if you like, you can email me or Mrs. Hardy Gutschel and see, kind of come up with that, and we can respond to you. All right. Good luck. Have fun. Hope this gives you some ideas on how you can come up with some new coping skills or how you can feel better. And have a great day.